So let's proceed to number 7. Y is equals to 1/4 arctan of 4 sine x all over 3 plus 5 cosine x. So we are tasked to find dy over dx. So for this one, arctan is derivative of arctan is just equal to 1 all over 1 plus u squared du over dx. So u here is 4 sine x all over 3 plus 5 cosine x. So we'll solve this one. So y prime is equals to, so 1/4. So multiply by 1 all over 1 plus, so u is equals to 4 sine x all over 3 plus 5 cosine x squared. So derivative, so du over dx, so we have 3 plus 5 cosine x. So just copy, so derivative of 4 sine x is equals to 4 cosine x minus, so just copy 4 sine x 4 sine x. So derivative of denominator is 3 is 0, so 5 cosine x is just equals to 5 5 times negative sine of x. Derivative of cosine x is just equals to negative sine x, so all over, so 3 plus 5 cosine x squared. So let's simplify. So we have y prime is equals to 1/4 multiply by 1 all over 1 plus 4 sine of x all over 3 plus 5 cosine of x squared. So multiply by 3. So we'll distribute. So 12 cosine of x plus 20 cosine squared x. So negative times negative, positive. So 5 times 4 is just equals to 20 sine squared of x all over 3 plus 5 cosine of x squared. So we have y prime. So y prime is just equals to 1/4. So just copy. So 1 plus 4 sine of x all over 3 plus 5 cosine of x squared. So multiply by, so 12 cosine of x plus 20. So we'll factor out 20. So sine squared x plus cosine squared x. So all over 3 plus 5 cosine of x squared. So sine squared x plus cosine squared x is just equals to 1. So let's simplify this further. So we have 12 cosine of x plus 20. So this one will be cancelled. It's just equals to 1. So it is just equals to 1. So 12 cosine x plus 20 all over 4. So multiply by 3. So 3 plus 5 cosine of x squared. So plus 4 sine of x 4 sine of x squared, because 3 plus 5 cosine x raised to the power of 2 all over 3 plus 5 cosine of x raised to the power of 2 will be cancelled. So let's evaluate it further. So we have, so 4, so 3 cosine of x plus 5 all over 4. So we have 9 plus, so 3 times 5 cosine of x times 2 is just equals to 30 cosine of x. 30 cosine of x plus 25 cosine squared x. So plus 16 sine squared x, close bracket. So let's cancel this 4. So the remaining will be y prime is equals to 3 cosine of x plus 5 all over. So we have 9 plus 30 cosine of x plus 25 cosine squared of x. So plus, so sine squared x plus cosine squared x is equals to 1. So sine squared x is equals to 1 minus cosine squared of x. So let's substitute this one here. So we have 16 multiplied by 1 minus cosine squared x, close bracket. So we have y prime is equals to 3 cosine of x plus 5. So we have, simplify further, 9 plus 30 cosine of x plus 25 cosine squared x plus 16 minus 16 cosine squared x. So we convert, so we use the identity to uniform cosine x in the denominator. So we have y prime is equals to 3 cosine of x plus 5 all over. So we have 9 plus 16 is just equals to 25 plus 30 cosine of x. So 25 cosine squared x minus 16 cosine squared x is just equals to 9 cosine squared x. So we will 3 cosine x, just copy the numerator. So we are factoring the denominator. So we have 3 cosine of x. So plus, so 3 cosine of x plus, so we need to find the divisible by 25 that can be added to 30 cosine x. So let's try 5. So let's recheck. So 9 cosine squared x plus 15 cosine x plus 15 cosine x plus 25. So the remaining will be 9 cosine squared x plus 30 cosine x plus 25. So this is equal to this one, right? 9 cosine squared x plus 30 cosine x plus 25. So this is the right factoring, is the right factored form for the denominator. So let's simplify. So y prime is just equals to, so we'll cancel the numerator by its own factored form in the denominator. So the remaining will be 1 all over 3 cosine of x plus 5. So this is now our final answer. So this is now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. So let's check if our answer is correct. So y prime is equals to 1 all over 3 cosine x plus 5. So our answer here is 1 all over 3 cosine x plus 5. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to another number.